Now that it's your birthday, I don't know what to do. I can't give you a Thunderbird or a penthouse with a view. Can't even buy a little present, I'm much too broke, I find. But there is one way I can save the day, and I hope that you don't mind that. I can't give you anything but love, baby.
Baby, I'm mine.
That's the only thing I've plenty of, baby. Dream a while, scheme a while, we're sure to find. We'll find some happiness, and I guess all those things you've always pined for. Gee, I'd like to see you looking swell, baby.
Baby, I'm mine.
Diamond bracelets Woolworth doesn't sell, baby. Till that lucky day, you know darn well, baby. I can't give you anything but love, Now, even though it's 3 below, let's just enjoy the storm, baby. We got love to keep us warm, so warm. I wish you a happy birthday, baby, even though I'm poor. But if you'll agree to marry me, who could ask for anything more? Oh, gee, I'd like to see you looking swell, baby.
Baby, I'm mine.
Diamond bracelets Woolworth doesn't sell, baby. Till that lucky day, you know darn well, baby. I can't give you anything. Oh, I ain't got a barrel of money, honey. I can't give you anything, though my love's a many splendid thing. I can't give you anything. Oh, I got plenty of nothing, but I got plenty of love. I can't give you anything but love.